In this video, I will tell you how to fix PayPal. We are having trouble making sure it's you. So first, what you need to do is start with the basics that most people skip. Turn off any VPN, proxy or private DNS and connect to a stable home or office Wi-Fi you have used before with PayPal. Open your app store and update the PayPal app, then fully close and reopen it so the new build loads correctly. If the app still shows the same message, switch to a desktop browser and try logging in on paypal.com to see if the issue is app specific. Next, refresh your security data. On the login screen, choose forgot password, set a new strong password and then add or confirm a second factor like SMS or an authenticator app from the security section. Make sure your phone number is active and can receive messages. Check your device time and region are set to automatic because incorrect time can cause verification to fail. Then review your account profile for mismatches. Confirm your name, address and country are accurate and match your identification and bank details. Remove outdated devices from the trusted devices list and add the device you are using now by completing a successful sign-in. If you recently traveled, try again from your usual location or wait a short period for risk checks to reset. Finally, try the login once more, carefully completing any prompts. That's how you fix PayPal were having trouble making sure it's you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.